Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a domain on IONOS. Let's get into it. First, search for your favorite name. The first step is to use the main search box on the website to see if the custom address you want is available for purchase. You need to check if someone else already owns the name before you can try to buy it. Open the main website page, type your desired name into the big search bar in the middle, and click the search button. Read the message on the screen to see if your name is free or if it is already taken by another person. Because every website address on the internet must be completely unique. You have to check the list so you can see your options and how much the name costs for the first year. Without this step, you wouldn't know if your idea is actually available to buy or if you need to think of a new name. Next, add the name to your shopping cart. Once you find an available address that you like, you need to lock it into your selection basket so you can prepare to pay for it. Click the green button that says Add to Cart or select right next to your favorite address choice. Look at your order list on the side of the screen to make sure the spelling of your name is completely correct. By putting it in your basket, you are telling the system that you are ready to move to the final screen. It ensures you have the exact name ready before you fill out your private details. Next, skip the extra offers. Now you will go through a few screens where the company asks if you want to buy extra items, like email accounts or website building tools, which you do not need right now. Look for the small text or buttons at the bottom that say Next or No Thanks and click them to bypass the additions. Keep clicking through the pages until you reach the final screen that shows just your web address and the final price. Make sure you are only paying for the exact name you wanted from the start. It is the key step to getting the right output so your final bill stays cheap and straightforward. Enter your payment card details and click the big Buy Now button at the bottom. Stay on the page until the screen updates and gives you a message saying your purchase was successful. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.